Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Rex here, and today I'm bringing you a new video, and what I want to talk about today is my car and how it got wrecked and just the stupidity of the wreck. It just makes me mad thinking about it, honestly, but I just want to tell y'all about it and y'all could see that it's actually pretty damaged in that first clip that I showed you. So I'm just going to tell you about how it got hit. So my family was over that night to do taxes, so we went, like after we got done with taxes, we went to Chili's to, you know, just eat dinner and stuff, and we were just having a good time talking. My girlfriend wanted to get Starbucks at the time, so I was like, okay. She was like, I'll get you some, and I was like, I mean, that's fine with me, free Starbucks, you know. But so, you know, the Chili's and Starbucks parking lot are, you know, together. They're connected in a straight line. It's like simple. You just drive straight and then you turn right into the drive-thru. Like, it's pretty simple. Right before you get to the drive-thru, there's a parking lot on the right to, you know, park for Starbucks. So I'm guessing that's where the person was going to, you know, park. I guess, I don't know what they're doing, to be honest. She was a worker at Starbucks. So as I'm driving to Starbucks, I see this car coming at me, like, you know, pretty good ways. Sorry if the GoPro is shaking, but I see it coming at me from pretty good ways away. If you see somebody like coming into your lane, you know, you'll flash your lights on, your horn at them, and, you know, usually they'll jerk it back into their lane. So I was just, you know, driving, not paying attention, and she was so close to me, like, I couldn't really dodge her or anything, and I was slowing down to turn to the drive-thru, and I just see her coming at me, and, you know, I can't do anything. I'm doing like 7 miles an hour, and I just watch her hit my back end, and I was so mad. I literally just threw it into park, jumped out, and I was like, what the are you doing? And, you know, a bunch of stuff like that. And I kind of regretted that after, because she was pretty nice, but, you know, I was, adrenaline hit me, I guess you could say. So after a little while, she was like, can I go in and count cash for Starbucks? Because she was apparently the only one that could do it. And she ended up coming back out and saying, hey, do y'all want any Starbucks? So she gave my whole family free Starbucks pretty much, which is like pretty cool. I mean, I would rather not been in the wreck. I mean, obviously. So as the cop gets there, she's like, hey, I want to make y'all an offer. And I was like, okay, what's your offer? Because I was expecting like quite a bit of money, and then her insurance, because, you know, it's a fender bender, I guess you could say, technically what it's called. And I was like, okay, how much? And she was like, $150. And I was like, and what else? And she was like, that's it, for maintenance on my car. And I was like, no, $150 will fix the scratches. Not on my bumper, but on the little side panel, I've got 2 little scratches. And I was like, no. And I told the cop that after, and he was just like, that may pay for the towing fee if I can't get your bumper off. Because, I mean, I obviously couldn't drag my bumper home behind my car. So he laughed at that, and he honestly thought the girl was stupid, because it was just such a stupid wreck. He was mad because he had to respond to it, because she couldn't drive in a straight line. And she was like, I was trying to look at the car in the parking lot, and I was like, but if you were taking that angle, she would have had to go through a tree and over a curb and through a tree to see that car, and she would have hit that car in the driver's side door at the angle she was talking about. And I was like, how stupid are you? I just spit. But anyways, that's my video for today. Honestly, I was just wanting to rant about that. Like, it just makes me mad, because that was my first wreck, and it takes off like $2,000 in value in your car, and it makes it much harder to sell just because of that 10-mile-per-hour wreck. It just sucks. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a comment down below if you want to see any videos or anything, and leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.